Hey everybody, I want to show you the transducer holder I made for my portable Garmin Livescope kit. In a previous video I showed you how I set up a Garmin Livescope kit to use for ice fishing, and in this video I'm going to show you the transducer holder that I made. So this is the transducer for the Garmin Livescope, and I have a notch cut in my case for my sonar so that'll fit. And I bought some just knobs. These are metric, I can't remember the exact size. I bought some knobs at the hardware store so that I didn't have to get an Allen wrench every time I wanted to connect this. And basically you just put it on the direction that you want and tighten the knobs. This is a PVC, 1-inch PVC pipe. Tighten this. So now I've got the sonar connected to this. This is a little different setup than I've seen some other guys make. So this is a pipe coupler, and it's got a seal in there. I'm not using it to couple pipe. This is all one solid 1-inch PVC pipe. But I wanted to make something that I could turn a handle in. So I bought this. I put some lithium grease around those seals, and you can tighten this down. And it allows you to turn the transducer whichever direction you want, which is important for Livescope because you can look out forward. You've seen probably the Panoptix sonar transducer holder. It's kind of a kit. It looks similar to this, except it's obviously not made out of a cutting board and PVC pipe. The thing I didn't like about that is it didn't close up quickly. It doesn't close up so that you can fold it. I wanted mine to be able to fold so that I could just throw it in the sled and move quickly. So this one I put on a hinge. So you basically stick, this is a cutting board. You stick this, the hole, ice hole's right here. You stick this in the water, and this is just a door hinge that I used and a hose clamp. And it's kind of neat because actually if you tighten this enough, it bends that hinge a little bit, and then the hinge actually, because of the bend, it isn't super flexible. So it'll fold up when you don't have the weight of the transducer on, and this will actually stay folded up instead of flopping around. So that's actually a nice benefit. So you stick this in the hole, fold it up. I mounted a handle, painted it orange just for visibility on the ice. And this turns, and you can turn it whichever direction you want when you're using the forward Livescope. I did not want to glue this on, because I wanted to be able to just pop it off both directions. So I basically just drilled a hole and put a pin in, a quick release pin. You just pop that off. You can take the handle off. You can take the transducer off by just turning those knobs. And if you're out, checking for fish, different areas, you can go out, scan around. If you don't see what you like, close the unit. I just leave it on. I close it, put all of this back in my sled, move to the next location, drill a hole, scan around, and I don't even start fishing till I see fish. So that's the unit. Hope that some of you find that helpful. Thanks a lot.